Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. By the way, my name is Puvarasi. Guys, today we are solving one of the Python problem solution. Our problem statement is to write a Python program given pattern. To write a Python program given pattern. We have only write a Python program following in this pattern. First row we have got only one. Second row we got two and four. It is a triangle pattern. It is a right triangle pattern. In the multiplication of numbers. Okay, guys, let's start our coding. Guys, I am using VS Code editor. So I create a Python file. Number. So number triangle pattern as our Python file. If save the Python file, we mention the .py. So okay, I create it, and then I am using for loop for I in range of 1 to 6. So just I explain step by step. You know that if you're using the range function, it will generate sequence of numbers. So just in this place, print I print it. 1 minute. I expand this terminal. See this, it will our answer written is a 1 to 5. So in this place, we see this. I have opened this window. See this 36, but it will return, if you're using the 6, it will return the n-1 in this pattern. So in this place, I have shown it 7. So now see this. I run it. See this, if they are written as 6, our answer written as a 1 to 6. It's okay. So guys, in this line, I am using another for loop. So I am using the J, another one. J in range of 1 to I plus J. I plus 1. Just I have printed what the answer is written is. You see this. Print J. Now see this. See this. It written as first of all 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. See this. Our answer written is a 1, next to 1, 2, 2, next to 1, 2, 3. Just 1, 2, 3, 4. Our answer is 1 by 1. First of all, written as only 1. After iteration, it will written as 1 to another iteration 1 to 3. It will our answer written as a only increasing order. So it's okay, but you know that in a string methods, in a basics, you written as a T. So if you see this T, it written as another next line. Next of all, I have multiplied I and j. If each iteration, if using this in this pattern, I and j, if you t multiplication of I, we have multiplied just 1 and 2 because our answer written is here, our output is here. First row, we have only 1. Next row, 2's multiplication, 2 and 4th. Our answer written is step by step. So guys, I and j. Now, just see this. What is our answer? What is our answer? See this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 1, 2, 4. First of all, only 1. Okay. Next, 2 multiplication 2 and 4. The third iteration is 3, 6, 9. 4, 8, 12. So, but answer is correct. But we have row by row. Every iteration we want only row by row. So in this place, I am using end. I create one empty string, end equals 0. Now see this. Now it will return as another different pattern. See, now if I give you another print statement and then empty print. Now see this. This first row we have only got only 1. Second row 2 and 4. Third row 3, 6, 9. 4, 6, 8, 12, 16. So our answer is it is only first is 1's multiplication. Second row we have got 2's multiplication. Third row 3's multiplication. Guys. So okay, if we are using the for loop. If you're using the function, we have got only reusable components. So in this place, I create the function diff right triangle. Sorry, guys. Right triangle. So right triangle is our function name. In this place, I pass the argument as a number or input parameter as a number. And then I have moved our code as inside the function. Okay, in this place, I have passed our number input plus 1 number. Okay, input plus 1 because this is increase error. We have changed it after. If any problem, we have changed it. Okay, if we have got input from users, what I do? Number. What you do? So if we get the input from users using the int with input, enter the number. Enter the number. Print. In this place, we just call it our function name. It's okay. It's sufficient. Because if you return the statement, you can use this print function in this place. But we are already inside the function, we are using the print function. So in this place, no, it's not equal to printing our output. Enter the number. I just enter the 5. Sorry, guys. In this place, we return only. If I enter the 5, our answer that is 1 to 5. That is end of this one. We have written as in this pattern. The answer written is only 1 to 5 multiplication. So just I enter it. Number is 1. Question argument is missing. Okay, guys, I am mistaken. First the argument in our function. Sorry, guys. If you have got any error, you can read it. What is the error? If you see this in this like in this place line 9, I have passed the input function number, but our output I have not mentioned in the our code. So I am pass it. Now I am run it. So this enter the number 5. So we got our answer. This is the pattern. Same as the start pattern. All of the patterns. So 7. Let's see this 8 patterns. 7. Okay, 7th pattern. So 1, 2, 4, 3, 6, 9. So first we got only 1. This is 1's multiplication. This is 2's multiplication. 3's multiplication. Okay, guys. Guys, I hope in this video is very helpful for you. I have teach the how to write the patterns, and then how to using the functions, and then how to get the user input. All of those things that I explained. Guys, I hope this video is very helpful for you. If you helpful, please hit the subscribe button and then share with this video to your friends and family. Guys, see you later. Bye. See you.